Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Bgmi and your phone OS are updated because mismatched versions often trigger errors. Next, free up 1 to 2 GB and clear the app cache so corrupted temp files don't block startup. Once done, verify a stable Wi-Fi or 4G connection and disable VPN or proxy. Network routing can cause server handshake failures. Do these first actions now. They remove the common causes and prepare the app for deeper troubleshooting. You'll now perform the middle, more involved steps to fix persistent errors. Grant all required permissions. Storage and overlays often block resource loads because the app needs access to files and graphics layers. If that fails, back up your settings, then reinstall Bgmi to replace corrupt binaries and missing assets. Also reset networking, toggle airplane mode, restart your router, and flush DNS on device so stale routes or blocked endpoints don't persist. These measures address deeper software and network causes methodically. You finish by validating external and account factors. Check Bgmi server status and maintenance notices, since some errors come from the server side and not your phone. If servers look fine, test the game on another device or account to isolate whether the problem is your device, account, or network. If the issue persists, collect error logs and screenshots, then contact Bgmi support with that evidence. Make sure to include device model, OS version, and exact error text to speed up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.